Wood grain doors was a vision of wood grain to leverage their vertical integration. The acquisition of this facility was in May of 1985, and at that time the facility was producing moldings and door products, very few doors. The facility is located in Nampa, Idaho, and once again became part of Wood Grain in 1985. Based on, really driven by Reed and Kelly's vision of leveraging vertical integration. We have an operation up in Fruitland, Idaho that produces components, and primarily pine components, and this operation gave us the opportunity to integrate those into the doors we build today. We have over 300 employees in our operation here, building thousands of doors weekly, and distributing them or selling, shipping them all throughout the United States. The square footage of the operation is right around 350,000 square feet scattered amongst 7 different buildings. This operation is a specialty operation. We can build a door as narrow as a foot to as wide as 4 feet wide, and we can build a door as short as 26 inches up to 8 feet. So there's 3 legs to the stool. We have Nampa, which handles the specialty component of it. We have our Asian, which is more of our hardwood sourcing operation, and then our facilities down in South America. We bring it all together. Our customers bring in large quantities from directly from the mills overseas, as well as doors being shipped here domestically. The majority of the doors that we produce each and every year are built domestically, built here in Nampa, Idaho, in the USA. The other operations support what we do here. So historically, the majority of the doors that have been made here are a traditional panel door. That could be a raised panel, it could be a flat panel, it could be 3 panels vertically, it could be 6 panels in a vertical and a horizontal orientation. We manufacture well over 2,000 different styles of doors here in our Nampa facility. The next door would be a French door, which typically has glass in it. And then the final area, it would be an exterior door. And those are typically 1 3/4 doors that have insulated glass as part of it. But those are really the 3 configurations that are primary. So, you know, we manufacture 13 different species here. Our most prominent species here within the door division is primed. As you look at the trends in the marketplace, right now it's more to paint grade or prime doors, and our business has followed that. Beyond that, we have softwoods and ponderosa pine, radiata pine, knotty ponderosa pine, Doug fir, hardwoods, maple, poplar, oak, 2 types of mahogany, some sapele and kaya. Then when you look at beyond that, we have walnut, we have rustic hickory, knotty alder. So once again, 13 different species on top of the different styles and the different sizes that we produce here. Our philosophy on quality is that we have roughly 270 individuals building the doors. The expectation is that every single one of them is a quality inspector. We do have a dedicated quality team on top of that does inspections and make sure that the product is of the highest quality. But what we try to do is we try to make sure that we instill number one, a safe culture within all of our employees, and secondarily a quality consciousness about it.